Together for the MD and CEO of the BSE, Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan.
Good evening. Let me congratulate and thank ICICI Lombard and ET Now for thinking up this award. It's high time we recognize the risk and the risk managers. I've always thought about risk in variety of ways, and for me, the first perspective is, what is risk? Where does it come from? And one thing I've realized is that the risk is a function of time. If time stopped, risk stopped. Because time passes, the risk arises. And the longer the horizon, the larger the risk. Risk management, how does one do risk management? First and foremost thing about management is that you need to be aware of the phenomenon. Second thing is, you need to be aware of how to measure it. If you don't measure it, it is very difficult to manage. So for me, management of risk comes out of, it's a conscious effort, it's not an unconscious thing. It has to come from your awareness of that activity. Other thing is, how do you measure risk? You measure risk in modern finance by what we call volatility measurement. It is, in some sense, what I call movement away from expectations. For me, if you make too much profit, it's still a risk. If you make too much losses, it is still a risk. So in a modern finance, somewhere volatility defines how you measure risk. And it may be correct, it may not be correct. But the way entire world currently measures and monitors and manages risk is by basically method of volatility. Somewhere on the line, this movement away from expectations is not very intuitive. If you make losses, we think it is risk, or our bosses think it is risk. When they make profits, it's not risk, it's their actual capabilities. So how do you measure risk, manage risk, and then can you eliminate risk? For me, my risk is ICICI Lombard's business. You don't eliminate risks. You transfer risks. The risk which I am capable of handling is my core capabilities, core competence. The risk which I am not able to handle, I pass on to somebody who is able to handle. That's how the risk actually gets managed. That what I can manage, I manage. What I cannot, I pass on to somebody else. And that's a very, very important understanding, that risk management is basically not about risk elimination, but about understanding the risk, identify ways to manage it, figuring out who is willing to actually take my risk, and slowly passing on to him with his knowledge or sometimes without his knowledge. With that, I congratulate once again ET Now and ICICI Lombard for thinking of this great idea. Thank you very much.